Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee. It's April 15th, tax day, but it's also 2 weeks left in the biggest sale of the year at Volunteer Audio. The top brands are all on sale at the same time, which means when you buy a plug-and-play amp and speaker package, you're going to get the biggest savings of the year. It's also riding season, rally season. You've been wanting to do this upgrade all winter. Now is the time. On top of the huge sale prices, we also have amazing financing, up to 2 years, no interest from Affirm. Check out the link below. It'll tell you more about that Affirm financing and those options. We also have one more promotion going. I'll tell you about it at the end, so definitely watch to the end because I think it's bigger than all these sales put together. Let's look at the Hertz products. So all Hertz Neo speakers, the SX and SV series, 6x9, 6.5, 8-inch, the super tweeters are all $100 off a pair. The big Hertz amplifier, the SP4.900, is $150 off. It's $100 off if you go the smaller 4.500. But when you put together that plug-and-play package, you're going to get your cut kits discounted. They're $80 off. You're going to get a discount on harnessing. Together, you're saving $400, $500, $600 before you get to the radio. Soundstream also has their HDHU 9813 SG and RG for the 98 to 13 road glides and street glides. They're on sale $100 off. It's going to really bring your bike into the future. The SI radio, that's the most popular one, the one with the built-in gauges. The one that has all the motorcycle info, but it also has the advanced thumb controls, also $100 off currently. So package your radio with your speakers, with your amp. It is a significant savings. The 14 Plus is been on end-of-life closeout, $300 off. We have very limited inventory left. If you've been thinking about it, now's the time to get one. But when you buy one of these three radios, those 98 to 13 models or the SI model, right now, as part of the promotion, you're also getting a free wireless CarPlay, wireless Apple CarPlay / Android Auto adapter at no charge. That's part of our Soundstream promotion. You're going to want this. You're going to want it with the radio, so why not get it while it's free? Now, on top of that, all of these savings really add up to save you a ton of money, but Volunteer Audio is giving 10% of all total sales to the Mount Pisgah Bible Printing Ministry this month also. So every time you buy from us, we're going to give a portion of that to them. That's going to print Bibles, send them to missionaries all over the world. I think that is the biggest thing going. April's our biggest month of the year. That's why we collect it now. In May, we'll give it to them. And I thank you so much for being a part of it. And we thank God for having you come do purchases from us so that we can help grow his kingdom. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, God bless.